Hi, welcome to the video. For past 1.5 months, my laptop was not working. It got damaged, so I was not able to record anything. And right now, I bought a new laptop. So welcome. Let's see the portfolio. Right now, the portfolio is worth 5.8k, and overall, the earned dividends now it increased to $230, and the current entire return is 10.25. Let's go to each of the slices. The first one is Regal subscription. So our aim was 23.67, and we gave everything. We put everything to SPOL, and right now, if you see SPOL for the past month, we got around 22.24. So it was around par, but still 23.67 is the requirement. And whatever we get it from dividends, we invest it to the original long-term share, Lin. So it's a UK based company, I guess. And they have a good dividend yield 1.29, and right now we invested 28.4 to whatever we got from the last month and $6 from the previous month. Let's go to the next slice. So next slice was car wash. We have Jeppy invested everything, and our aim was to get $10 per month. So Jeppy provides that one. So last dividend we get it 8.56. I think it's not updated. We got more than $10 last dividend. Whatever dividend we get it, we put it into MAA, Mid America Apartment Communities, and right now we have $20. That one. Let's go to the next one. Costco membership. So this was our first slice. We invested everything in QILD, and our aim was $6 per month, $5 per month, and right now we are getting that much. If you see last month we got 6.88, and we invest everything to Costco. Costco is now worth 57.3. Next one is Xfinity mobile bill. So currently for a month, I pay around $18 for the mobile bill, and everything I invested in IEP. So we are yet to receive any dividends on IEP. So once we receive the IEP, it should cover that $18 per month. So currently for 684, we might get around $54. And whatever we get from IEP, we'll invest into Gen. It's a digital IT company. It's having a decent dividend yield, 2.49. So this is our long-term share. And the next one is Netflix subscription. The subscription is cost around $15 per month, and we invested everything in TSLY. If you see TSLY, we got around $37 last time. So it's more than what we expect. So I might rename this slice to some other which can cover that $30, and we'll start a new subscription for Netflix. And whatever we get load it to our long-term EPD share. It has a good dividend yield of 7.37. Right now, we have around two shares, 26.52. Next slice is Verizon. So this we expect $35 per month we are paying for Verizon for one of the mobile. And right now I started investing in TLTW. It has a good dividend yield, 18.8. Right now we have put 14.29. So I'll keep on adding into this share. We'll see how much, but right now I'm not investing much, like around $10 per week. I think last week I didn't invest that also. So we'll see like how much I can invest and how much I can grow. So if you go to the dividend portfolio chart, we'll see like we received around $100 per month. So we have achieved that target of $100 per month. Here you could see the monthly dividend. Right now we are receiving 101 from all these shares. So you see there are so many updates happened. Like right now QLD 38, JP we are getting 8.56. So this time again it decreased. So our aim was $10. So maybe more we need to invest into JP. TSLY it's more than enough. Like $15 was the target. Right now the dividend is 37. IEP $18. Xfinity mobile bill covering, that is okay. SVR also we need to invest more because it was a Regal subscription and we aim 23.69. TLTW is it for the new slice for the Verizon that we need to achieve, that is $35. So we need to invest remaining to everything to TLTW. And the dividends we receive from our long-term shares, Costco we will receive monthly zero point zero 0.04, MA 0.06, EPD is zero point 0.4, Lin is 0.03, and Gen we are at to put something into Gen. And currently, after calculating the fire, our fire date is 2 20 December 8th, and at that time I'd be receiving a dividend of 1.96 million. So that's it. I have to take on all the slides, all those calculations which I wrote in Python. Not sure whether I can do it again quickly. I'll try to do it on a progress. Thank you.